Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be working on the little galvanized fuel can. We're going to take this from drab to fab. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, the little galvanized fuel can. This thing is drab and hideous, but I think we can bring some color back to it and give it a new lease in life, even if it is just going to be a showpiece. So, display piece, if you would. Let's get these caps off. Get the handle off. Get those cleaned up in a little bit. Give this thing a nice little look. I think I'm going to two-tone it. That's what I think I'm going to do. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to two-tone it. First, we're going to go over it with a Scotch-Brite on a Dremel. Try and get the rough and bumpies off there. And we'll continue on. Alright, well, we got this thing pretty much cleaned up for the most part. We got all the oxidized nasties off there, and it's feeling pretty smooth. So we're going to give this a good wipe down with some brake cleaner. Get all the dust and the grime off it. Then we can start priming and painting. Alright, that's it. We're just going to let this dry and then we'll figure out our color pattern. Alrighty guys, well, I don't know if this is going to show up or not, but I did clean up the handle just a smidge. I wanted to leave a lot of the original black finish in the wood. I think that's going to give me the look that I'm looking for. Hoping I get that look that I'm looking for. So I think what I'm going to do is just clear coat this. I got the little handle here all wire wheeled and cleaned up, so that's ready. I also got the caps. I wound up throwing these on a wire wheel, cleaning them up a little bit, and I threw a clear lacquer on them, so we're starting to look pretty good right here with this. So let me throw a clear lacquer on this and we should be done with all of the little stuff. I hope, mind you, that this is gonna look the way I want it to. Oh, I think so. Oh yeah, I think we got it. I'll have to wait until this dries to be sure, but yeah, I think we're pretty close to the color that I'm looking for. I'm looking for like almost like a brindle dog color. You know how they're like malted looking, or like a tabby cat, something of that nature. That's what I'm kind of trying to achieve here. I think I nailed it, to be honest with you. Not to be tooting my own horn here or nothing, but wow, yeah, I think I nailed it. But I will know as soon as this is fully dried, so we'll check back on it. Alright guys, well, this is what I was talking about, that brindle color. I do hope to God that this is showing up for y'all. But I really do like that. It's kind of old, worn, tattered looking. I think it's going to look really good on this can once it's done. Alright. Well, we're going to keep going around and painting that can. Alrighty, well, I'm going to put the handle on. I'm not going to put the caps on because this yellow is still a bit wet. So I don't want to do anything to mess that up. Trying to figure out the best way of doing this without scratching the paint up. Nice. I do like that, again, what I'm calling a brindle colored handle. I do like that. So what I think I want to do, I think I want to go ahead and throw a decal on this. I'm going to wind up going with the Sunoco. It's the colors I chose. Yellow, blue, and white. So let's see if we can't get this thing on there looking alright. Ooh, that does not want to come off this paper. Alright, well, we got it. So the way I'm going to try and do this is not have it right in the center of it. I want it off to the side a little bit. Sorry guys, I do apologize about the dog barking. A lot of you guys say you can't hear that, but if I hear it, I assume that you guys can. Wow, that's actually alright. Are you ready for it? Look at that. This is awesome. I really like that. Alright, we're going to let the paint dry off, gas off, and we will finish this video up probably tomorrow. We'll get the caps put in place, and that'll be that. So we'll see you then. Alrighty guys, well, not bad, right? Got the caps put on there, got the sticker on there, got it all painted up, looking nice and fresh. I'm quite happy with that. That's a stunner. Nice. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. That was the galvanized can from drab to fab. Hope you guys liked it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.